Safety and security of nuclear material and technologies is fundamental to ensure peace in Pakistan and in the region, experts say. Any such loose material in the hands of terrorists can cause disaster of a mega scale.
In perspective of Pakistan, we are already very well attuned to this problem, well geared to deal with it. We have a strong security force which is protecting all our nuclear facilities and installations.
Nuclear terrorism is the most important new dimension, posing great threat to the international security and peace. There are important non-state actors who can undermine international security and peace if allowed further.
This is, I think, a new dimension affecting international security and peace. This is a new trend, not from traditional, nation state as an actor, but now we have non-state actors as important actors.
Experts have stressed the need of new international measures and legal paradigm on security and safety of such material to control their trafficking and subsequent misuse by non-state actors.
Imagine what will happen if somebody is stealing the nuclear material and the illicit trading of this very weapon-grade material, by terrorists or by extremists, so you will easily understand the importance and the need of securing the nuclear energy.
It was horizontal proliferation of nuclear weapons which was pivotal earlier on. Now the entire international attention has converged on ensuring safety and security of nuclear material and limited nuclear know-how.
Within the non-nuclear weapon states, though the nuclear weapons are not there, but still their nuclear energy plants, their medical centers, their agriculture centers, they are vulnerable to terrorist sabotage or these kind of the activities. That's why we are saying that now, in addition to non-proliferation, you have to focus on the safety and security.
Experts suggest that the state have to develop their national infrastructure according to the demand of a United Nations Security Council resolution, and there should be some kind of cooperation among the intelligence agencies. With cameraman Muhammad Ibrahim, Taimur Hassan for SDTV, Islamabad.